tomorrow's your birthday.
I know that.
Oh, yeah? Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Do you know who's going to be there?
Grandma and Samantha and Julie and Sarah. And who else?
There's a lot of people that are going to be there.
I just want to thank everybody for coming. We really appreciate it. We love you all so much, and thank you. And I'm glad it turned out to be a great day. Of course, it's spring in Arizona. What else can you expect? So anyway, we just wanted to thank you very much for coming, and hope you're enjoying it yourselves. And
happy birthday,
to
Morgan.
celebrate with us with Morgan.
Happy birthday, Morgan.
Very much. Means the world to us. Okay, go.
Thank you guys for having us.
Okay, Morgan's going to open some gifts. So we got one here.
Ever close your eyes, ever stop and listen, ever feel